Simulating propellers in computer games can be quite an interesting challenge because they need to be able to rotate very fast. And your rendering normally happens at 60 frames a second, and as soon as things approach several hundred RPM, the motion starts getting very weird because you get aliasing. And the challenge with propellers in particular is that they've got a tilt on the blades. And as you can see from this very harsh light source, we get kind of like a little curl appearing in the specular blob. So you can see when the blade comes down here, it starts off and it moves towards the center. So it's not just a single dot over here. So if you were to simulate it just by fading in a disc and fading out the propeller blades, you would end up with a specular blob just over in this area, and it wouldn't represent the proper lighting on the propeller. To counter this, you can calculate the anistropic and use custom normals calculated per fragment to make a single plane have the same lighting as a propeller blade would. And so you can see that when the plane is faded in, the lighting follows this kind of strange looking path. But if you look at where the specular blob on the actual propeller blade is going, you can see that it follows pretty much that exact same path.